In this DIY, we're going to show you how to install the JoJo Backwash Watersaver tank. It's designed to take your dirty water from your pool filter into the tank and then allow that to settle, whilst the clean water eventually you can take back to your pool, and the dirty water at the bottom you can drain off and use into the garden. We're going to show you how simple and easy it is to connect from your pool backwash line into your tank. Now, before I connect up my tank to my pump system, I'm going to install a concrete slab first of all. This way it allows a secure foundation for my tank to sit on. For a slab for a JoJo tank like this, you want to go for a minimum of 85 millimeters. Check out the clip of how to install a concrete slab. For this particular installation, I'm going to plumb 50mm PVC pipe from the backwash of my pool filter all the way underground and then up into the top of this tank. First of all, we're going to remove the existing waste pipe, and then we're going to mark out the area that we're going to dig so we can place our pipe underneath the ground level. Bury the pipe at least 400 millimeters below the ground surface to avoid any damage to the pipes during normal garden use. Measure out the length of pipe that you need from the filter outlet into your tank. Cut the pipes using a hacksaw. I've worked out all the lengths for my PVC pipe pathway to go out of the waste pipe, down underground, all the way to the back, and then up out of the ground into the tank. I've cut them all to the exact size that I need. Now, to assemble these, we're just going to use some PVC cement in between the mating surfaces. That's my last fitting complete. Now I actually need to let it set overnight before I can put the backwash on into the tank. In the meantime, I can backfill the trench. My PVC cement is dry and my full installation is complete. As you can see, I opted for a solid rigid connection. You can also go with a temporary flexible pipe option if you choose. It's now time to turn the backwash on and start filling this tank. I've backwashed my filter into this tank, and straight away you can see the benefits of a translucent tank. I can see exactly the water level of my dirty backwash water. I'm going to let that settle for a couple of days, and I should start seeing a clear line somewhere around between these two taps. Then I know I've got clear water above and dirty water on the bottom. I'm going to connect a garden hose straight away to the tap, and I'm going to drain that water back into my pool. Once I've finished and I've got all the clean water out, I'm then going to reconnect that fitting to the base and then drain that dirty water out into my garden. I'm not wasting any water. I'm saving all that water which I've backwashed from my pool. If you found this DIY simple and useful, like it, share it. You can also subscribe to our channel.